This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, July 26, 2019. This one here I got a call for shower leaking downstairs onto electrical panel, brand new. I guess she just had the tile redone from what she was saying. And it sounds like it's leaking in the wall from what she's saying. So I don't know who did the job over there, but I'm hoping it's just like a shower arm that's broken in the wall or something that I can get to if it's PEX, something that blew off. She says there's tile on both sides of the wall now because there's a kitchen behind it, so I don't know. We'll go by and see if we can help her out. I mean, I'm not going to be busting tile apart for her. We'll have to go see if it's something simple. If not, we'll have to go to plan B or plan C. We'll have a plan B and a plan C, you know. Well, I know you love driving. You love driving.
The other day I was taking a shower.
Yeah.
And
is that loose up top there?
No, it started coming out of here.
Okay, yeah.
And then as the water decreased, it was coming down here and coming out of here.
All right, yeah. So let's see. That thing might just need to be replaced. Let's take
All the water went down into the cellar.
It might be broken there. Let me take this apart and see. See how that's loose?
It was always like that. That's the way he put it in.
Well, we're going to take it out and see, because see how I can move it by hand?
Yes.
That's not good. Let's see if we can get it out. I got a special tool to get that out.
Okay.
Because you're saying it's leaking downstairs, right?
Yeah, the cellar's a mess. It's all full of water from yesterday.
Yeah.
All the wood down
All right, so
here.
let me see what I can do with this.
So that's been ongoing.
Yeah,
From what I gathered, because
I got a whole bunch of shower arms in here. Let's see if we could. We'll try replacing that first. That'll be the first thing we try to do. Keep it simple, stupid. Let's see what we can do with this thing, if anything. I'm thinking it's probably broken in the wall there, but...
But how can it break in the wall?
Well...
You know it doesn't get touched.
They're kind of thin. They're really kind of thin. If you want to see, I got another one in the bucket there. It's
I don't
not
know
real.
why they make things to go in the wall.
Well, to keep it chrome coming out. I mean, it's supposed to look better, right? That's the first thing we'll change, is that. No, maybe it's the head. Maybe the head's spraying. Maybe this is spraying out. I mean, anything's possible. It looks like the gasket is yeah. See how it broke off? That's what the problem is, I think. I bet you.
Well, I was thinking...
See it? It broke off. See the threads?
Oh, yeah.
So I should be, hopefully I can get in there and get that piece out of there. You see it?
Yeah.
How it rotted?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, I'll tell you, it has not been my week.
Not
Last week I had to have somebody come and fix my toilet because it was leaking like crazy. Today I got the electrician coming in. I keep blowing fuse circuit breakers.
Not easy, huh?
Oh, God. I'll tell you, life sometimes is worth it.
I don't know if I can get it in there. Oh man, I don't know. Not gonna be a good one. That's way in the wall. I don't know. Yeah, oh. That might not, and you say this is all tiled, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Great.
Yeah, it cost me a fortune to get this done.
Well, it's broken in the wall for sure, I can tell you that right now, so we'll see what we can get. Maybe I could do that might come out. Let's hope so. What's on the other side of this wall?
My kitchen.
Might be bottoming out on the back of that thing. I think that's what's happening. Yeah, I can't grab it. Oh, done. So I get another one I can cut maybe. Alright, I cut a little bit off there. Let's see if we can get it to grab. Man, it's way in the wall. You really can't do anything because there's cabinets on the other side, right?
Yes.
Let's hopefully it comes out.
Yeah.
If not, I don't know what to do. It might be coming out, I'm not sure.
It sounds like it.
I think it might be. I really need to get on something to stand on. You don't have a milk crate around on that, do you?
No.
A bucket or something. I'm probably gonna have to get something out of the truck. We don't want to drop that thing in the wall. Not good. That's really in the wall pretty deep, that one. That's kind of unusual.
Yeah, what he did was he attached them to the wood in there.
I don't think it's coming out. Alright, I think it's coming now. Had to give it the little taparoo, I think. Wow. You might have got lucky.
I'm saying a lot of prayers help.
See, I had to cut that in because it was sticking in too far. I got it.
Beautiful.
No, this I have to probably get a long. I might have to go with a longer one. See it? The thread?
Yeah.
Not easy.
Yeah. Yeah. Life is interesting.
So when you said it was leaking in the wall, that was the first thing I want to check is this, obviously.
Okay.
So you see how they're not really made the greatest, right? I mean, they don't make them.
Yeah.
They're not the greatest setup in the world, so. We'll put this on and then we'll run it and we'll see if it leaks downstairs.
Okay. The little rubber came out.
Yeah, it filled down inside. I don't think it's gonna.
There's one right here.
Unless I get another one if I'm in the truck. Yeah, but that was inside of here,
Okay.
so that's not gonna work so well.
All right.
Unless I could see if I can get one out of the truck, maybe. Let's see what's left to it. A lot of times you don't even need that. If I got the pipe, the thread on there, see the, sometimes I could just, if I have to, I gotta go on, get a gasket out of the truck. But we'll try it like this first. Let's see. Boy, you got lucky today. I had to cut my tool off. That's the only thing I wasn't too happy about. Usually, I got another tool, but that one was too far in the wall.
It does have suction cups, but I was going to put,
Alright, why don't we go check down cellar, but I think it's going to be okay. Let's go check down cellar. You know where it was leaking before?
it was leaking underneath, and it was coming down in the wall in that corner. So that's not happening.
You said it was leaking down underneath by the panel, right?
It was coming underneath there in the corner.
Oh, I thought you said it was coming down an electrical panel, no?
I got all the electrical downstairs where it was leaking, yeah.
Alright, let's go look at that now.
Yeah, it was leaking all down here. All in here was wet. The water was coming down there, and you can see this here. You can see the ceilings.
Oh yeah, I can see it, yeah. Yeah, that's where the tub is up there. It don't seem to be leaking now. But you could see the other one was definitely so this was all wet before?
Yeah. Even my dehumidifier had water on the top of it.
Yeah, I think you're gonna be alright now. I don't see it dripping. So that's a good thing, right?
Well, it probably wouldn't have gotten as bad.
Do you open the window? Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
Well, you could hang it right on the window here. No?
This is the one I bought.
Yeah, so that's what broke off right there. Had water damage, I mean, you could do an insurance job, but it don't look like it's too bad. I think you're gonna be alright there.
Yeah.